Castor oil hair mask, eyelash growth serums. The internet is buzzing with these DIY beauty hacks, but are they legit or just a recipe for disaster? Well, I decided to try some of the most popular castor oil hacks myself to see if they actually live up to the hype. Hello everyone, my name is Sandra Maria Gumansing and I am back with another great video on castor oil. You might remember from part 1 that we explored the amazing benefits of combining castor oil with coconut oil, and after that I got a lot of requests to upload a video regarding its uses. So in this video we will find out about the viral castor oil craze and its remarkable uses. Also, I will share how some of the trends have worked for me, so be sure to stay with me until the end. Now, first and foremost, let me make it clear that I am not a doctor, and it's always crucial to proceed with caution and seek advice from a healthcare provider before trying any new health remedies. Medical advice should always come from qualified professionals. However, I've taken the initiative to explore the world of castor oil, conducting some thorough research and personal experimentation. But before sharing my results with you guys, let me tell you some powerful reasons you need to incorporate it and why people call it such a miracle oil. Castor oil has existed since ancient Egyptians, and those people were using it to soothe dry eyes and even tackle constipation. It's a versatile oil that has been a go-to remedy for ages, and it didn't stop there. In India, they've been slathering it on for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to tackle everything from arthritis pain to pesky skin issues. Now fast forward to today, and castor oil is still making waves in health and beauty. You can find it in all sorts of products, from soaps to cosmetics and even those hair treatments. Also, back in the day, it was the go-to remedy when you felt things backed up. It gives your intestines a gentle nudge, making those muscles work over time to push out that waste. And guess what? The big shots at the Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, they have given the stamp of approval as a safe and effective laxative. But while castor oil used to be the star of the show when it comes to relieving constipation, it's kind of taken a backseat in recent years. Why? Well, it turns out there are newer, fancier laxatives on the block that do the job with fewer side effects. But don't count castor oil out just yet, because it still packs a punch when you need it. Also, have you ever heard of using castor oil to clean out your bowels before a big procedure like a colonoscopy? Yes, it's a thing, but these days, other laxative again are usually the go-to for that kind of job. Still, castor oil has your back if you're in a pinch and need something that works fast. Castor oil is like a superhero for your health, packing antimicrobial, antiviral, and wound healing powers. So whether you're dealing with a stubborn zit or a pesky infection, this stuff has your back. One of the key benefits of castor oil for the skin is its ability to act as a humectant, which traps the moisture in the skin, leaving it soft and smooth. Not only does it moisturize, but it also acts as a barrier, preventing moisture loss and keeping your skin hydrated for longer periods. No more dry, flaky skin, just a radiant, dewy glow. And as I mentioned earlier, castor oil is an emollient found in many skincare products such as lotions, lip balms, to makeup. It's like the magic ingredient that makes everything better. Manufacturers add it to cosmetics and personal care products to promote that hydration and leaving skin feeling nourished and supple. But what if you want to use castor oil on its own? Well, it's a bit thick, so you might want to dilute it with some carrier oil like almond, coconut, or jojoba. I use coconut. It will make it easier to spread and absorb into your skin without leaving behind that greasy residue. Simply mix a few drops of castor oil with your favorite carrier oil and apply it to your face and body for a moisturizing treat. While there is some limited research on the specific benefits of castor oil for skin health, some studies suggest its fatty acids may promote skin repair and reduce the appearance of acne scars, fine lines, and wrinkles. Castor oil is also beneficial for arthritis-related joint pain. With its anti-inflammatory properties, it could offer much needed relief for achy, creaky joints. Now, in one study, participants with osteoarthritis took castor oil capsules 3 times a day for 4 weeks. And as a result, 92% of them reported significant reductions in knee pain without any pesky side effects. Now that is what I call win-win situation. Now, let's talk about hair. You may have heard whispers about castor oil being a miracle worker for hair growth, but here's the scoop. There's no solid scientific evidence to back that up, and so sorry to burst your bubble. But don't despair. While castor oil might not be the magic potion for hair growth, it can still do wonders for your locks. Some people swear by it to moisturize the hair and keep the shiny thing going and ward off those pesky split ends and breakage. Plus, with its antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil might be your hair's new best friend, protecting your scalp and strands from infections and irritations. Now, as I mentioned in my last video, I've been incorporating castor oil into my skincare routine and hair care routine for its moisturizing benefits. However, thanks to TikTok trends, I've stumbled upon some intriguing claims about castor oil's effectiveness in various unexpected areas. People on TikTok swear by these hacks, prompted me to experiment with using castor oil in unconventional ways, like applying it into my navel, and I'll share my experience about that shortly. With influencers on TikTok touting its supposed benefit, castor oil has become the latest craze on social media. But before you jump onto the bandwagon, here's the lowdown on what's really going on. From treating anxiety to boosting the immune system and even curing arthritis, influencers are making some bold statements. In fact, in October 2023, the hashtag castor oil on TikTok racked up about 925 million views, and that's a whole lot of people buying into the hype. And what's even more concerning is that many of the top videos are all about slathering castor oil in your belly button, and that's a trend that's gone wild. Also, according to users, castor oil might be the secret to achieving those dreamy long eyelashes. No fancy serums required. With hashtags like hashtag castor oil for eyelashes racking up over 5 million views, this beauty hack spread like wildfire. What they say is, all you need is a bottle of castor oil and a mascara wand or a brush, and you're good to go. Some users even recommend applying the oil to your lashes every night for a few weeks or even months, and the videos online promise spectacular results, including lashes growing several millimeters longer by the end of the treatment. But this tip isn't just for lashes. They say it works wonders on the eyebrows too. Some beauty experts argue that castor oil doesn't make lashes or eyebrows grow any longer. Instead, it just nourishes them, giving them a healthier appearance and enhancing their shine. But who's complaining about making your lashes looking fuller and healthier? Not me. Doctors are saying there's no research indicating that eyelash cilia or follicles are either positively or negatively impacted by topical application of castor oil to the eyelash line, and that these applications of castor oil could also irritate the sensitive skin around the eyes and brows. So some of the other trends include helping dry eyes, floaters, cataracts, eye bags. Now, Dr. Christopher Starr, who is a clinical spokesperson for the American Academy of Ophthalmology, said there is zero scientific evidence that castor oil can safely and effectively treat glaucoma, cataract, or other serious eye problems as proclaimed in some social media posts. While the evidence supporting castor oil for eye health is slim, there are known risks of putting the oil into the eyes. These include irritation, burning, pain, redness, blurred vision, and damage to the surface of the eye, says Starr. Now, I have heard some say that this is not the case, and they have had some positive results using the oil in many of these instances. A particularly unusual claim involves applying the castor oil into the belly button for weight loss, and in this claim, the oil is poured in the navel for about 30 to 45 minutes. Some TikTok users also advocate for wrapping the stomach with castor oil infused materials to reduce body fat. Now, there is no scientific evidence that applying the castor oil to the skin can do any of these things the experts are warning. However, I do know of some people who swear by this, and if you are one of those people, please let me know in the comment section. Now, all of these claims may not be true, but let's share my results with you. Initially, on my face, I've noticed a considerable enhancement in hydration, resulting in smoother, more relaxed skin with the reduced puffiness, particularly noticeable in the mornings. I have even received some compliments from coworkers who mentioned that my skin looked like it was glowing. That's without me telling them that I was using castor oil. So that's my experience. Now, despite concerns about oils potentially clogging pores. I haven't had or experienced this issue with castor oil even in the sunny Caribbean climate. Additionally, my lips have been noticeably less dry and my hair feels significantly more moisturized, all thanks to the application of the castor oil. I also do use coconut oil and mixed it in, contributing to a healthier appearance. And I've tried that navel hack, and let me tell you, while doctors say there is no concrete proof, I will tell you I've had some success with regularity the very next morning, and I'll keep it at that. Of course, it could have just been the timing. Also, I've been applying it to my lashes and eyebrows, but it is too soon to see anything. I don't have that much lashes or eyebrows, so I'll have to give that some more time and come back and do an update. I've also tried putting the oil on my eyelids. I don't know, if it's just my mind playing some tricks on me, but it seems my vision, everything seemed brighter. Now, I have to admit, I've only been doing this for about 2 to 3 months, so that is all I could report for now. And I highly recommend investing in high quality castor oil stored in a cool, dry place to ensure optimal results. Selecting the best kind available, such as pure 100% castor oil, preferably stored in a glass bottle like this one. That's essential. Different types of castor oil distinguished by their color, dark and light, are available, so it is crucial to choose the one that best suits your need. Additionally, it is essential to protect the oil from sunlight exposure, as this can affect its quality and efficacy. Also, check out my previous video where I discussed the powerful combination of castor and coconut oil for even more beauty benefits. I'm calling it a powerful punch. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Be sure to comment if you have anything to share about castor oil and how it has worked for you. See you next time.